Hi guys, today on this video I'm gonna show you one trick in PRO100 software how to replace handles in one click. Of course you can replace handles by just select every single handles, but it takes some times. But in PRO100 software there is nice tools replace, so you can replace all of them in one click. So let's take a look how does it work. So if your some of your modules or all modules is on the group, there is no need to ungroup them, so we can just use hotkey. Just hit the key Ctrl Shift Alt and you'll see these icons. Then just select which handles you want to replace. So for example, I choose this one, I select this one, and let's say enough. So only this I'm gonna replace. Then go to the tools, select replace. Here in IDs just give the name, let's say my handles, apply, and here choose these handles and just close. Then go to catalog, elements, hinges, and just choose which handles you're gonna replace. For example, I would like this one. Click right mouse button and select replace, and here it is. Just in one click we replace many handles, or you can replace all of them in one click. That's finished today. Please, if you like my video, if you like my channel, please consider to subscribe my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao guys.